Friends, actually we have discussed a lot about the electrical vehicle space. I recommended 3 or 4 shares from the electrical space. Most of the people are talking about the electrical vehicles and their chances. But there is one more policy which are implemented on last budget, that is scrappage policy. On the basis of scrappage policy, we can able to find 3 or 4 shares which can become a multi-bagger in the future. Today, I am going to explain a company which will get benefit from the scrappage policy. So friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Binoy. When we talk about the scrappage policy, the companies which will come to our mind is certainly from the manufacturing space, that is the automobiles manufacturing companies such as Ashok Leyland, Mahindra, Tata Motors, etc. And one more company in the same space with the manufacturer of automobile spare parts, which became the OE suppliers of these manufacturers, will also benefit from this introduction of scrappage policy. The companies like Motherson Sumi. Okay, but I am not talking about this company's automobile space, but I am talking about a company which is already in the trading space and e-auction space. The name of the company is MSTC, Metal Scrappage Trading Corporation. MSTC, the Metal Scrap Trade Corporation. This is the full form of the company MSTC. Actually, it is a Mini Ratna company, Mini Ratna Public Sector Unit Company, which was incorporated in 1964 as a trading company. Later in 1974, it has become a subsidiary of Steel Authority of India Limited, and now it is an independent company related to scrappage and e-auction space. The company is mainly in trading business. Now they diversify the field into e-auction space. Most of the government companies e-auction is done by the MSTL. The e-auctioner is MSTL for most of the government companies. But one point in which this company will benefit most when the introduction of scrappage policy is that recently in 2017 they had foray into the recycling of scrappage items. They are already in the business of exporting the scrappage items, but in spite of that, they entered a foray into recycling of the scrappage item. This is the main important thing, because the main purpose of the government in order to introduce the scrappage policy is that first one is pollution, in order to control the pollution. Second thing, the introduction of electrical vehicle space. It will provide more room for the electrical vehicle space. And third point mainly is that in order to reduce the import of raw materials of steel. When the scrappage policy comes, what happened? Before, when a vehicles go to scrappage, it came into the secondary market. All the parts of the vehicles came to the secondary market. But according to this new scrappage policy, when a vehicle came to scrap, the entire scrapping policy will be done to the MSTL. It will handled by the MSTL, and this scrappage items will again become the raw material of steel and came back to the market. So we can able to reduce the import of raw materials of steel in India. So this is the main point to be noticed. This is the main advantage of the share, and this is a monopoly company. There is no other players in this field. The main disadvantage of this company is that there is chances for many other private players also to enter into this sector. This is the only disadvantage I had seen in this company. The second point, main point of MSTC. The second main point of MSTC is that it is very important. This is the MSTC selected as an auctioneer for 5G spectrum. 5G spectrum, we all know the 5G spectrum is going to implement on April onwards. So the main auctioneer is MSTL. The government appoint MSTL as the main auctioneer. This will benefit a lot for this company. The P ratio is 44 rupees now. Actually, the all industrial P is 94 rupees, something like that. So it is very good for the company. The main reason I already recommend this share 4 weeks before the introduction of scrappage policy. and my view is correct. From 270 levels, when the scrappage policy came into announced by the budget, it goes to 400 rupees. I expect only 340 rupees, but it go to 400 rupees, and again it came to the same level of 270 rupees. That's the reason I had put the video this time. So what is the reason for coming the price comes down from 400 to 270 rupees? It is still variable share, but when the result came, when compared to the last quarter result, it is a little bit bad. Not so bad, it's a little bit bad. Second reason is that the scrappage policy will be coming into effect only in April 2022. So we the investors have no patience to wait for 1 year. So this make an opportunity for speculators to beat down the share to this level. So as a patient investor, as a prudent investor, we have this is the right time to enter the share. And as I always said, the market will give an opportunity to enter the share. This is an opportunity, but I don't know whether the shares will come down to 220 or 280, 150. I don't know about that. But from this level, it will reach 700 rupees in April 2022 within 1 year frame time. So we have to be very bullish. We have to foresee the future of this company. So I strongly recommend this share at the rate. So this is my personal view. This is my own study by referring to the newspapers and sites. So you please consult your own advisor before taking position in this company. If not yet subscribe, please subscribe to my channel. Share to your friends and relatives. Please don't forget to press the bell button, like it and share it. Thank you very much for your patient listening. Thank you.